Yo, me not lie still, me G. But Popcaan shell it. But Vado gonna kill him, just wait and see. Alright, John Taylor. We have to wait and see. And I am waiting to see. Me not see nothing yet. Me have see Popcaan release next song already and me still not see or hear nothing yet. So Mavado gone silent. Alright, so Mavado tune bad. Rhythm better, lyrics deeper. Mavado have better melody, timing and delivery. Step past the father gonna murder the son. We don't know who this ya. No. Cut them throat, left them eyes up. That's an S ranks. Step past the father gonna murder the son. A war we are deal with S ranks. So if you step past the father, you have to say who the father is and which son you gonna murder. Alright? No subliminal thing. Call out the thing proper. No, Popcaan coming and addressing this directly. Make we know say, I'm a father him a talk to. Step cross which father. You know like one time two people are chat and I throw one and somebody else who know have nothing to do with the fight just jump in and take it over and say, hey boy, how you me I talk to? Because they feel like say it was directed at them. Anybody could have picked up that step past the father and go murder the son. Right? Bounty Killer have whole heap of son out there. Beanie Man, well, no, Beanie Man, no son, he never bust nobody. Moving on.
They killing them crazy.
Welcome to SouFLoTV again, everybody. It's your host with the most. Watch out. You see that video I put up? Yeah, and that will come to talk about right now. Right now, we're going to go into the comment section because earlier, I see, I said earlier, I don't know what going on, you know, but the man them, in the comment section I trace like girl, you know. I don't hear Popcaan name in Mavado song. This is crazy. Popcaan cannot be matched with Mavado. Mavado is international. I want to you. Popcaan international too. What the fuck you talk about? Any which part Mavado gone already, you see? Popcaan dead already too. So I don't know where people get this thing from that Popcaan is Mavado is international, right? Popcaan is international too. The same people them when Mavado they're on Popcaan, they're on them people there too. Go and go search the thing. Yes, he's signed to Best of the Best, but Mavado, Popcaan link up with them same people there, party with them same people there and all these things. So it's not like him in some league that is unreachable and Popcaan they're way over there so and I struggle for reach which part him there and these things. So title of this video on SouFLoTV anyways is Mavado, them running versus Popcaan Dutty Dread, word for word review, shots fired, melody down. Write out the words to Mavado song and write out the words to Popcaan song and then go through and dissect the thing piece by piece. I could go right into the topic. Alright, Dan Kid Music Hilltop say Popcaan go hard. Norval Chang, big up yourself. A long time I don't see you, brother. Long time I don't hear from you. Him say, yo, SouFLoTV, the warrior, sweet! Me put my money on Mavado any day. Aye, boy. As some did settle, you know. Brother, some did settle, but I want to tell you, say, it look like, say, Popcaan thing turn up. Like, over the years, Popcaan has matured as an artist, and it look like, say, I'm ready to handle them kind of confrontation here now, because me not lie. With that one track, yeah, him pop off Mavado stripe, man. Me not talk about the whole of the stripe, then me look like he take off one of the one piece of the rank. Me don't know. Vado have to go come harder with this. Stocious Reed say, I agree with you. Popcaan done him. Yes, Stocious Reed. Me I tell you. Shell it up. Bad pan one ya. Shifty. What go on Shifty? Shiftacular. Shiftacular say, big up yourself first of all, Shifty. Shifty say, Mavado lyrics them wasn't that strong. Him need to link me. But me show him how to kill snack. Me no wear sport upon Blackbird. Popcaan easy to kill. Just pour some water upon him and watch him dissolve. I Rock Jones say, wah. Them lyrics there, cut them short and left them eyes up. Them not really lyrics, father. Me don't know. Dan Kid Music, Hilltop, come again and say, really? Shaking my head. Go break down Popcaan song, big man. And that was his answer to S Ranks. Go break down Popcaan song, big man. Cause Popcaan well shell it wet. Me I tell you,
And me that try help out Mavado, so me that say remember Mavado is not one of the more lyrical dancehall artists them. You know what I say? But boy, I still come up and I say, alright, me see a one bag of lift them we make Madden pick up and give them. Me not, boy, S-Ranks, the song sound good to you here, sir. So just say that. But if you are going to quote lyrics from Mavado the last person me that really quote no lyrics from. Because Mavado not really lyrical. Sound like some joke thing compared to Mavado. This was Frostino or Dinero. Frost Dinero said this. Say Popcaan dead. All him ghosts will rise up dead. Same way. Now the part that Mavado talk about kill all him duppy will rise up or him ghosts will rise up or something. Yeah, him can go on with that. But like me say, him tune never that tough. And when me say it out, it sounds so basic and nursery rhymish that I don't know where to go in no war. So, Mavado, me start no more war. You're bigger than that. Now, to go war with Popcaan, you put him in your league. I want Rastaman vibration. Yo, Exodus Miller, where you going with? But Rastaman vibration. And that's the, yo, a blood clot singing blacks you talk about, you know, you talk about Mavado. You talk about Mavado, we say gangsta for life. Gangsta for life, the man say you talk about you want Rastaman vibration. If you want Rastaman vibration, go look for Bob Marley, man. A Bob Marley is a Rastaman. A Bob Marley is a Rastaman vibration. A war time now. And that we are defend. So, grow underpants. K Clark. Me and you on the same page. Grow underpants. Mean Poppy grow under cartel's pants. Really? And that to get funny, me ain't on the same page again. But anyway, make up yourself same way K Clark. And that you get funny. Me now no time for you to decide for them lyrics there. The man say from boy start grow underpants. Them swear say them a man. Me don't know how man grow underpants. Alright? So, and if that's the case, and they must say from Poppy start grow under cartel's pants, that means say Poppy me not even try to waste my time on that one. Moving right along, brother. Moving right along. So Unruly run this Dirty Dread Gaza. Kill him from 08. Alright, Chris Tom said that there is no war between the two. You're still Chris Tom, me did actually want to delete you off of the Blood Clot channel, but stay there. I'll read the rest of the comments since you think there is no war between the two. Somebody else did say that already too. I know, see there? Right now me I look on this and me I see other people coming up right here upon the side. Everybody the panic. Alright, big up rapper crowd. Johnny C. Honestly, Mavado song sounded better. However, for composition, I give Popcaan a slight edge. I wouldn't say Popcaan won because it's a counteraction. Music is all about sound and lyrics. I gave Mavado the edge for introduction and quality sound. Popcaan introduction was weak when he picked up in the chorus, so it's a gully side first round. Gully, brother, me confused. Terry said big up the gully side, but Popcaan leading in the war to me. Alright? And that is somebody that don't sound like they're biased because them start out by saying big up the gully side, but it sounds like Popcaan are leading in the war to me. Alright? So, John Taylor, you see that some of the this is the problem with some of the people. Some of the people go on like say, if you don't like one artist, you can't say, yo, the other artist here, that tune here when come with come answer that tune there, better than that. If a boy step out, when Cartel send him word out, and a boy step out and come with something better than that and answer directly, me have to go say, yo, Cartel I'm an artist dog, but you have a hear creepy answer, or you have a hear so-and-so answer, but nobody not step out like that yet. So, Summer's man. Anyway, if you know better than this, man, people want to just big up Popcaan because his singing career gone cold since Vybz Kartel went to jail. Popcaan is in a war with himself. No, sir. Donna, listen, let me tell you something. You see, the whole of the younger generation, them right now, I say unruly. So, this show me say your ears not to the streets and your eyes not tuned into the thing. Yeah, look for Mavado from about 10 years ago and I said them man they run the place. Them man they not really run the place. like that. Mavado is established in the game, don't get me twisted. But as far as for talk about say Popcaan is a nobody, or make it seem like him is a nobody, everybody who know who Popcaan is. Everybody know who Unruly is. Alright? So kick out. Some people just see what them want to see or hear what them want to hear. I guess so. But don't be saying that because people not agreeing with what you're saying though. Move right along, Black. Yo, Kish, big up yourself. I used to big up SouFLoTV, so I have to say big you up. So big up Kish, yeah? Our team production, BHM team production, say Popcaan go on. I want to do some Dutty Dread. Alright, see it there? SouFLoTV, didn't Popcaan this cartel in a video? Alright, sir. People like this, like pure magic. If y'all go ask me if Popcaan this cartel in a video, I want you to give me the link to that video where you think Popcaan this cartel in the video. I saw me do things. Me don't come on and say something and then me don't have no link to point you towards it. If me say something and you want a link to where I got my information from, ask me for your link and me give you. Or me probably give you the link already. So Richard Kelly said, Bumba Clot, and this we want. Real clash in a dancehall. Alright, see it there? Now, one more thing. Some people are talking about, yo, this war look boring. This I don't know, Gaza war versus Gully war and these things. See, and when we look at who is saying these things, are some older heads. People, the young youth them have them time. You can't come around and look for no blood clot Gaza versus Gully clash again and these things. If it happen, it happen. But you can't act like say that's the only thing that can happen. Right? Because right now the thing I steam up with Mavado, may I tell you. And Popcaan, make the thing go on bubble man. I'll make a thing go on. I'll make we see. Remember I know a lyrical thing we say now. We're not talking about fling real shot after people. Alright, Gallant Clark. Gallant Clark say Gaza links. Popcaan I go hard. Yes, Gallant Clark him I go hard Panawania. Round 1 goes to Popcaan, hands down. Big up Orion Darby. Cause of that me said too. Alright. So Rory Curtis said Popcaan went real hard by this and the Gully God with the new song Dutty Dread. I have to say that I'm a fan of both artists, but Popcaan killed Mavado on this one, seriously. Alright, so. Odin Darby now. Odin Darby. I don't even like downloading music. It only take up space on my phone. Pure fuck with them man they sing nowadays. Alright, long time man. Him not have no lyrics. Ha! This is Odin Darby. Alright, brother. Me not there to kill Mavado career. Me there to talk about the clash, and I'm also here to. This video is about all the comments because earlier when me check this, one bag of suck your mother and boy suck out on your girl and these kinds of things. So and that me did a look for to come show us so the man them a trace over here like girl. But there's so many other comments that have been added. Like Kufkaf said, this war is fuck where both artists don't have any lyrics. Flex don't write for Mavado anymore and Popcaan don't have lyrics. Only melodies and slangs. Alright, well melodies and slangs are on the place right now, Kufkaf. If you know what Urban says, maybe you are right though. Alright. Live Fire said both of the songs them are garbage. The Massacre Colada was more lyrical. But given their status, it will be an exciting clash. They just need better direct lyric. Best line in the entire thing is everything nice. Where Popcaan say him get a burst on everything nice, then feel say everything nice. This song Mavado ever do to Blood Clot? Going back in the studio Gully Pod. I saw. SouFLo. Alright, Cardell Wilson. I sense something coming up here. Cardell Wilson says, SouFLo, the last time I defended your channel to the bone. But if you say Poppy sound harder than Gully side, you need a new hearing aid big man thing. I saw. Yo, Cardell Wilson, listen to me. Keep on defending the channel here, sir, because, here what? We don't have to agree upon every single thing. Don't think me and you are a Siamese twin. Alright? So there's enough things out there that I like that you don't like. There's enough things out there that I agree on that you might not agree to on these kinds of things. See? So, we're going to keep it moving. Big up yourself, same way, man. Me and a lot of other people think, say, Popcaan, shell him way another one. Yeah. Popcaan song at a new level. That is Lab NJ. and very real. It is on a new level. Me notice a Popcaan try out some new melodies and them thing there, and it'll work for him. Like na 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 na, and them sitting there. Anyway, big up yourself. Samuel Damos. Samuel Damos or Damos say, enough people are say Mavado bad and him kill it, and Papi have no lyrics. Kill what? When you listen to the two songs, Papi cut off Mavado head and stick it up for him own ass. Now I know that some of the Sodomite dreads might like that kind of thing, yeah. But sorry to say, Papi went Rambo on Mavado's ass. So get him grave ready for him. Bumbo. Alright, sir. From Cartel days, Mavado call name. When him this artist. So how come him not call no name now? Kale Green. How come he's not calling any name now? The boy one mount a shot for taste. 100% unruly. Alright, Kingdom Jokers, Joker Boss. Sharif McKinnon. The war get ugly. Alright, sir. Now I'm going to read one more, and this one is from Mankind Sad Street 357. Bang bang. Yeah, what I'm saying? Diablo write that song there. Me don't care what nobody says. See? Gully trait. Vado set a trap for the pussy, and the pussy run in that. What make the song name them running? Popcaan a war the man over Drake. Pop Tart come to Antigua and a fight with police over Batman. What? Mankind, hear what man? Hear me man. Brother, I went in a your meditation. Why you feel, stop regurgitate some bullshit when you hear some man talk. Because you see enough on the straight man or what calling themselves straight man. When you out there pick up some homosexual slangs and don't even know it. I talk about Mavado, a fight with our cat or Popcaan, a war with Mavado over Drake and these kinds of things. And you know, let them talk the dog. You hear me? Let them talk there. Big up yourself same way no Mankind. Sad Street 357. But me now work with that thing where you just put up yourself. With that said, I have to give the people them one more before I go here, sir. So, Trichel Morris, big up yourself. Trichel Morris say, hey, I can't watch your videos with a straight face set up. Always a fair laugh. So, Trichel, you don't know where it is already, you know, it's entertainment. Some of them come on social media and take the thing way out of context and too serious. And then they know say, oh, we have a serious life going on outside of them video here. So, entertainment we are deal with. So, you know what I say? Entertainment and the thing nice. It's SouFLoTV, man. Left it right, which part it there. Big up on yourself, you know. I'm want to answer back and tell me who you think can lead the thing so far. Mavado or Popcaan. Mavado come out with running. Them running and it was so easy for me kill them. And call one man King Kong and call the next one the midget. And these kinds of things. And then you have Popcaan over there say something else. Well, talk to me, man. SouFLoTV, I'm up out of here. Peace.